When we bought our used rig, Goldie was move-in ready, but we felt compelled to make her more of our own. Luckily, painting is the quickest and usually the cheapest way to transform a space. Step 1. Space preparation. Remove items you'll either be keeping, like outlet covers, or getting rid of, like our window treatments, bathroom cabinet, and living space furniture. Then protect important surfaces. Step 2. Surface preparation. After sanding and filling in any holes for items you demoed but won't be replacing, it's time to sand all the walls and surfaces to help your primer and paint adhere. But be careful not to completely ruin the texture or your vinyl. Just give it a medium pressure grazing. Next, degrease those same walls and surfaces. We used a mild cleaning solution of diluted vinegar. Then we taped. Steps 3 and 4, prime and paint. We used 1 coat of Glidden Gripper and 2 coats of Bare Ultra Pure White. Step 5, finishing touches. We are beyond thrilled with the results. Our paint job took Goldie from 50 shades of brown to modern and fresh. Read our blog for the fully detailed steps on how to paint your RV's interior. If you like this video, hit subscribe and check out noendadventure.com.